Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm just going to be taking my Vanessa base coat. You guys could use any base coat that you like, and I'm going to be applying a thin layer over all my nails. These nails that I'm using are from Amazon, and they were like 3XL, I think, length, and I just went ahead and cut them down to like an extra long length, or like a long length kind of, and then I filed the tops of them. For the base gel polish color, I am going to be taking my Vanessa gel polish, and this one's in the shade Nude Pink. You guys, I can't express to you how much of a gem this gel polish is. It's so gorgeous. It's like a really pretty natural pink color. It's perfect for French tips and ombres, and it's super affordable. I think I pay like $3.50 for a bottle of these on AliExpress. I believe they also have them on Amazon, so if you guys wanted like a little bit of faster shipping, you could also probably pick this up on Amazon as well. And yeah, I just go ahead and apply a thin layer of this to all the nails, and for these I am going to be doing 2 layers of this gel polish. And I'm sorry you guys, I didn't mean I was going to put this over all the nails. I'm going to put it on all the nails excluding the ring fingernail. And here I go with the second coat of that. And I also would like to say that Vanessa actually has a lot of really good like nude pink base colors. I actually have an AliExpress haul coming up soon, and I ordered some of my favorite gel polishes from there, and I'm gonna put you guys on to what colors are like really good. They're affordable and they're beautiful as base colors for like French tips. I know those could be kind of hard to find, like it could be kind of hard to find like good base colors for French tip sets and like ombre sets and stuff like that. Anyways, moving on to the ring finger, we are going to be taking some blooming gel, some white gel polish, and this really pretty yellow color from iGel Beauty. And I'm going to be applying the blooming gel all over the nail. Now I'm gonna go in with my white iGel Beauty shade, and I'm just gonna be swirling it on to the nail. And then I'm also taking that yellow shade from iGel Beauty, and I'm doing the same with the yellow. And I'm just really trying to make like little swirls, if that makes sense, with the gel polish. So I just went ahead here and took like a liner brush and just really started trying to make like those little swirls, added a little bit more white. You guys could do this however you like. I think if you did this like type of design, like this marble type of design, it's always going to come out different, which is something I really love. But yeah, that's how mine came out. And now I'm going to be taking this really long bristled brush. You could get a pack of 3 of them on Shein. That's where I buy mine from. And it's like 3 brushes for $1. And these brushes are literally so good. And I'm also going to be taking that yellow color from iGel Beauty. And I'm just going to be applying where I want my French tip nails to start. And for this French tip set, I am going to be doing the A method. So basically that's where you do like, you literally just make an A. You put the line where you want your French tips to start, and then you bring the lines down and it looks like a little A, and it makes such pretty French tip sets. I have an in-depth video already posted. If you guys would like to see how I create my French tip sets in depth, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below to that video where you guys could watch it. But yeah, you guys, it's super easy to create these. It does take some practice, so don't get beat down if you don't get it on your first time. But the good thing about gel polish is that you could always clean it up. You know, you could get a little bit of acetone if you make a mistake, and you could just clean it up right before you cure it, you know. So that's a good thing about gel polish. But after I'm done creating that A, you just go ahead and round out the tops of it, and that's pretty much it. You fill it in, and then you have a really pretty French tip set. Now when you're done creating your smile line for the French tip set, you just want to go ahead and fill in the rest of the French tip. So at first I was using the little thin brush for the corners, but then I switched over to the brush from the gel polish and I just started filling everything in, and everything filled in so nicely. I love that yellow color. It's perfect for spring and summer. This is giving me very spring vibes, summer vibes, like, yeah, it's just perfect color. And I seen that my French tip was a little wide on the middle fingernail, so I just quickly went ahead and cleaned that up. With the liner brush, I just went ahead and drew it to make it like more even. But yeah, once you're done with that, that's how your French tips would be looking. Now I'm taking some Rosalind black gel polish. You just need a tiny bit, you guys. And I'm going to be taking a very thin brush. And this is what I'm going to be using after I glue my little bee on. Which, if you guys are interested in these bee charms, they currently are selling them on Shein. And yeah, they're super cute. I bought like a 10 pack for $1, which is like super good. But look at how cute these little bees are. They're like I said, perfect for spring and summer. And with that black gel polish and that little thin brush, I'm going to be making these little lines. I don't know, I thought these lines were so cute to make the bee look like its little trail of like where it's been flying. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Super simple. And here I'm going to be taking my nail charms. Look at that butterfly nail charm, you guys. It's so gorgeous. I know that they sell them on Shein now, and I'm so mad. I wish I would have bought them there. But I actually bought these from a little like nail shop by where I live. And I feel like I overpaid for them, but at the same time, I don't think so, because these nail charms are like beautiful. But I know that they're more affordable on Shein, so I'm gonna leave a link to them down below so you guys could go ahead and get you some. But yeah, so I just put that in the middle of that middle fingernail, and look at how gorgeous this set is looking, you guys. Like, such summer and spring vibes. Like, I can't get over it. And also, this nail charm is also from Shein. If you guys watched my previous Shein haul, you will see that I purchased a couple packs of these because I love the shape of them. And I also took a little champagne colored like arrow shaped rhinestone, and I put that on top. And then I'm just taking some little AB rhinestones. I believe these are in the size SS6. And I'm just filling in the little gaps. And after that, you guys, I went ahead and I sprayed my hurry up spray just to like dry the glue. And you're done, you guys. After I'm done creating these sets, I always go back in with a nail file and just kind of sharpen up my edges. And this should be your finished results, you guys. I hope you guys really love this video. I absolutely am in love with this set. It's so gorgeous. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more nail tutorials and nail hauls coming very soon, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.